morning, students. Here is teacher Mariam, and I'll be guiding you today about some more targets about algebra. Uh, this lesson is going to help out students of class 5 onward, class 5 and 6, and it can benefit class 7 as well. In the previous video, if you remember, I talked about definition of algebra, what is basically this field of mathematics. Then we discussed few basic terms of algebra, and finally we did how to convert algebraic statements into algebraic expressions. In this lesson, you can see the given targets. We are to go by these in this lesson. The first one is multiplying constants with algebraic expressions, multiplying variable with algebraic expressions, and third one is substituting variables value within the expression. So these are the main three targets. Let's move forward. Multiplying constants with algebraic expressions. I will guide you this thing using three examples which are in front of you. Let me show you this in short screen. Yes, I hope it is visible to you. So this one, first one, you can see 8, then in bracket 2y minus 5 is written. This is an algebraic expression, 2y minus 5, and what we are supposed to do, we are to multiply a constant 8 with this expression. So it's very simple, students. What we are supposed to do, this is a constant, and you remember that constant is such a term which will remain the same. The value will not change at all. In the previous video, I have guided you in a very detail about constants, variables and coefficients. So this is constant and it will be multiplied with this whole expression. The rule to multiply it is that you will multiply 8 with the coefficient of this first term. Fine. Coefficient for y is 2. So you will multiply 8 with 2, which gives us a 16. So 8 2s are 16, and you will write y along. And then the second thing is, you are to multiply this constant with the second term as well. Whatever is written in the bracket, this was the expression, and 8 is written outside the bracket, you will multiply 8 with the first term first, which we have done, and then you will multiply 8 with the second term as well. So while multiplying it, you will get 8 5s are 40. And don't forget to multiply their signs as well. Plus 8 will be multiplied with minus 5, which gives you a minus 40. So here is the answer. This is your answer. This is done. We have multiplied the constant with the whole expression. Same is the case with this second example. What you are supposed to do, 2a is the constant here, and you are to multiply it with the first term and then the second term. And again I will say it that you are to multiply their signs as well. Plus 2a will be multiplied with positive x, which will give you 2ax, and then when you will multiply this 2a with the second term, that is minus y, sign will be negative and you will get 2ay. So this is again done. This is our answer for this expression. And then the last example, a negative 3 is multiplied with the expression. So again the same and very simple rule, multiply this constant with the first term and then with the second term. That will give us a minus 3c, and then when you will multiply minus 3 with positive 6, plus minus according to integer rule, it is a negative sign, you will get a negative 18. 3 6 are 18. So yes, this first target has been achieved. We have multiplied constants with algebraic expressions. These are three examples being shown to you. Then the next target is multiplying variable with algebraic expression. So sometime while doing algebra, outside the bracket you are being given with a variable as well. So firstly, in the previous slide it was a constant, now here it is a variable. So again rule is again same, there is no not much change. You are to multiply this variable with the first term and then with the second term. Fine. And again this is another second example. So I hope you can do it very easily now. X will be multiplied with 2. Now here 2 was a constant, while it will be multiplied with the variable. This constant term will be written at first 2x and then a positive sign, because both of them have positive sign, positive x and positive y. Positive multiplied with positive gives you a positive sign, and x multiplied with y gives you an xy. This is now answer for this expression. And let's take this second example. Y multiplied with y, it gives you a y square. To show the power 2, I need to insert an equation. So let me show you this one. Let's insert yes, you can see here it is e power x being shown here. So from here you will get this thing. Let me show it here, y power 2. So 2 will be shown in the index. So what we did, y multiplied with y, it gives you y square. Their powers are being added. Fine. The power of y is 1, and again here you can't see any power, so it means there is a 1 always. Y power 1 multiplied with y power 1, it gives you a y square. And then secondly, let's multiply this y with a negative 7. It will gives you a 7y. So now this 7 has become coefficient of this y. So this second target is again now achieved and done. We have done multiplication of variable with algebraic expression. Then the final target, that is about substituting variables value. Simplify the following algebraic expression using given value of variable. I will show you this using 3 examples. Very simple and easy examples. This is the initial of this target actually. So I am showing you very simple examples. Once you go a little in advance of this concept, so definitely difficult expressions are being given, and you can substitute the value, and then you can get the answer of it. Yes, so x plus 7 when x is equal to 3, so you are supposed to substitute this value, that is 3, into this expression. So simply what you will do, instead of x we will substitute the value of x, that is 3, and then it will be added to 7. So what you will get, simply 7 plus 3 is 10. So very simple is this. Let's do the second example. Yes, this one is the second example. 2y minus 1 is the given expression, and you are supposed to substitute y equal to 2 within this expression. So I hope you people can also do this simple work mentally with me. So here 2y, you can see 2 and y, there is multiplication in between these two numbers. So 2 multiplied with y, and y's value is 2. 2 2's are 4. So 4, then a negative sign, and according to the expression it is 1. 4 minus 1 will give you a 3. Yes, so 3 is the answer. So this is simply whatever the expression is given to you, wherever the variable is given and the value is also given to you, substitute or put that value instead of that variable and you will get your answer. The final example, Yes, it is x by y, or x divided by y plus 5 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So what you are supposed to do, x is being divided with y, so you will divide 4 with 2. Do it mentally. 4 divided with 2, it gives you a 2, and it will be added to 5. So answer is simply a 7. So this is how you are supposed to substitute the values. This is done, the last target for this lesson. So let's wrap up this session. Very simple and easy work for grade 5 and 6 to understand. Wrap up: multiplying constants with algebraic expressions, multiplying variable with algebraic expressions, and the third target was substituting variables value. I hope these three targets has been achieved and you people have understood them. It's very simple concept. Why I am trying to start with the basics, because while doing algebra, obviously these things are very simple, but this is definitely a new thing for the ones who are starting algebra in grade 6 or 5. So for those students, these targets are very important, and those concepts are very important, and I hope these targets have been achieved. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we'll continue working for different topics of mathematics. Stay with me, stay tuned with me, subscribe to my channel, and share with your fellows as well. Thank you so much.